standards! Push higher!
We must prioritize the allocation for the new aqueduct.
March! To victory against the invaders!
Rome will fall!
Jupiter save us!
Hold the line! Ave Roma!
The aqueducts bring fresh water today.
Logs faster! We need that gate secured!
Episode 2: Survival and Kings. After Rome, London was no longer an empire's jewel, it was a survivor. The Saxons rebuilt the city in wood, not stone.
5 coins for the stack.
Trade returned slowly but cautiously.
3.5.
This new settlement was called Lundenwic. But peace never lasts long in London.
Strike the wave! Pull together!
In the 9th century, the Vikings arrived.
Leave nothing! Run! They are everywhere! Get to the boats!
They attacked without warning.
Help! They're killing everyone!
London became a battlefield.
Quickly, they're burning the whole street!
We move the troops along the western wall, then strike the supply lines.
One
at
man
dawn.
refused to let it fall.
Is how we save London.
To the wall! Form the shield wall now! I see movement downriver.
King Alfred fortified London and reclaimed it. The river was turned into a weapon. For the first time in centuries, London was secure. Faith reshaped the city. Stone returned to London.
And to you, John, a fine day for worship.
The alignment must be precise here.
By the
are taking the
11th
measurements
century,
now, Father.
London was
The next
thriving
block is
again.
ready.
There's bread! Get your bread here! Watch where you're going with that cart. Make coins for the pottery. I'll give you 3.
4, and that is my final offer.
Then came 1066.
William, and for victory!
England had a new ruler. London submitted, but was never trusted. To control the city, William built a fortress.
Pull harder on the left. It's moving
The
slowly.
tower became a symbol of power and fear. London was reshaped in stone and authority.
Leave that beam up. Watch where you're putting that.
The city outgrew its defences.
We need more mud over here. 20 barrels of Rhenish wine.
Trade made London rich.
Ready for loading.
It must be uniform. Do it again.
Guilds controlled labour, skill and power.
Make way for the carriage.
The bridge itself became a city.
By the grace of God, we hereby confirm these rights and liberties.
London gained rare freedoms from the crown. The balance of power was shifting.
My lord, he stole the grain right from my field. I saw him
Law
with my own
became
eyes.
London's foundation.
Clear. The defendant is hereby fined.
Then came the plague. In 1348, death flooded the city. Nearly half the population died. London was broken again. But still, it survived. The survivors reshaped society.
I'll not pay more than 2 pennies for those turnips.
London adapted. The city emerged stronger.
The opposition asks for patience.
London became the centre of English power.
We must act now.
Wealth flowed through its streets. And it guarded that wealth fiercely.
Finest herring straight from
By
the Thames.
1500, London was the largest city in England.
Take it or leave. Farthings for the wool. 2 dear, I'll give ye 3.
A new age was approaching. The medieval world was ending. And London stood ready. It had survived invasion, plague, and fire. Now it would rise. The greatest transformation was coming. London was about to change forever.